Polymer modified mortars, or ANSI 118.4 mortars, are a broad category of cementitious tile adhesives that have been modified with an additive that improves bond strength, adhesion, and resistance to shock and impact. Most of the products on the market are single component, which means that everything is already in the packaging and you just need to add water when mixing. Two component systems will typically have a bag with the dry ingredients, but they will also include a liquid additive that's used instead of water when mixing. MAPEI's Carabond Keralastic system and Granny Rapid system are two examples of two-component products. So, if both single-component and two-component products qualify as modified mortars, is there a reason why you would use one over the other? Single-component products have a dry polymer, which is dispersed throughout the sand and cement mixture, and it's activated when mixed with water. While the cement particles begin to react with the water, the dry polymer begins to wet out and creates a stickier, more flexible bond coat for tile. Two-component systems use a liquid latex polymer, which is in the original state of the dried polymer, and it's mixed directly with the dry ingredients. MAPEI's Carabond is an ANSI 118.1 mortar, which means that it's a non-modified dry set cement mortar. The modification comes at the time of mixing with the Keralastic polymer additive. Liquid latex polymers provide a greater bond strength, adhesion, and flexibility compared to a dry polymer. This is the reason that MAPEI recommends two-component systems for the most demanding installations. MAPEI produces quite a few different liquid latex additives, and we're often asked if they're interchangeable. But just because they're all white liquids does not mean they are the same. Always follow the technical data sheet to be certain that MAPEI products are suitable for use together. For more information about our tile mortars and our additives, please call us at 800-992-6273 or visit our website.